Well, hey everybody, Wes McDonald here, and thank you for joining me for another AI FYI. And today we're going to be talking about using ChatGPT for something other than writing, and that is creating charts which you can compare different things. So let's dive right in. What I'm going to show you right now is how we can actually do this for my world in the Office Equipment channel, which is one of the channels I serve. We're going to compare three printers. So as you can see, I've created a prompt. It's basically saying that I know one of the devices I want to compare, and I put a couple of other ones in there, so it will run through that. So now I'm simply going to hit the send arrow, and we can watch what happens. What's interesting is most people don't realize that you can actually create a matrix, a comparison chart for anything you can think of. Let's say it's for a work project, you're trying to compare three different software packages that you might be using for something. You might actually be helping your kids with a school project, doing something on three different types of dolphins or three different types of plants that they might have to compare. And look at this, how it just creates instantly this wonderful graph, which I can then export with all the comparison features of these three different devices. So a much faster way than simply just browsing the web to be able to do that. And stay tuned for another episode, another AI FYI. And until next time, keep learning.